ka jingkran menteri bedaikmi yakatna railway ka Sorkar India u Ashwani Vaishnav ba katnan kadang yai peteng ka jingtmu ban penyeso ikijala ka Thai North East daki lintiral kala penlong ni kilat Thai kubor kan nong ba Shillong bantuan Jingmut do ba perstuan tensong sembut menteri nong ba bapej yaknat kampoi yang ka Sorkar jala halor katai ka phang nakaliang ba perstuan uloong ba katnet railway ka Sorkar India ka Thrang dik ban pen urlong ya ka jingtmu nak benta ka bet ka byang kinong song ka Thai North East bat ha ka Meghalaya dak ba benrap ba Donkam ya ka lintiral kuman syukudo ba ka Sorkar jala kala thar ka komiti bandikran halo ka lintiral syaka jala Meghalaya hadien bala pen phai ya ka pisa ba mangthi chaka ban sna lintiral hari boy district dangshan kala don ka jingkran ban penyai lintiral syari luom jantia ha ka balami ka jing persya balda ompat pentre kam ka na line permit.
See the statement made by the Honourable Minister of Railway. It is true. What he said the government of India is still very keen to connect Meghalaya with railway. And this is done not for their interest. It is for the interest of the people of the state. But again, when you talk about the state, recently Chief Minister has already constituted a committee, all party meeting will be held, and then after that again the meeting will be called under the chairmanship of Chief Minister himself to all the stakeholders, to all concerned, and we will discuss. Frank discussion has to be there, and ultimately decision will be taken.
Since the money...
But let me tell you one thing, even from our side, I personally feel we need railway. But when I say we need railway, we need also to carry everybody on board. We cannot just say because I need it should happen. Therefore, on the basis of these issues where we still have, so we discussed and we decided from the government side that the all party meeting has to be there, and also meeting with all the concerned stakeholders will be called by the Chief Minister. Don't come back that question. I'm telling you that's what we would like to meet them, because from the government side also we are all out for the ILP. You knew it well. Even the House itself has passed the resolution. So we want that ILP should be there, and at the same time we will again meet all the stakeholders, and as I said to you, we will discuss about the subject of railway, and also we will discuss about other issues.
Pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.